In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a repository into Firebase Studio and start coding. If you're setting up a cloud-based development environment, Firebase Studio makes it simple to get your code running in a browser IDE without installing anything locally. We'll walk through importing an existing project so you can start developing and collaborating right away. Begin by opening Firebase Studio and signing in with a Google account. Use the account that has access to the repository you want to import. A stable internet connection helps, because the platform will provision resources and pull your source code in the background. On the welcome screen, look for the Import a Project option and select it. This opens an import page where you'll point Firebase Studio to your code. The layout is straightforward, so don't worry if this is your first time. Everything you need is on this single screen. In the repo URL field, paste the URL of your repository from GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. The standard HTTPS link works well here. If your code isn't hosted on one of those providers, you can upload a compressed archive from your computer instead. Supported formats include .zip and gzip.tar files, and the upload must be under 100 MB. This is useful if you're sharing a snapshot of your project or you're working behind a firewall. Next, enter a name for your new workspace or project. Pick something clear and recognizable so you can find it easily later. This label is how the environment will show up in your workspace list and in any collaboration views. When you're ready, click Import. If the repository is private, Firebase Studio will prompt you to authenticate with the provider. Make sure your account has the necessary permissions and complete any verification the provider requires. Once that's done, the import will continue automatically. Firebase Studio will now create a virtual machine, download your source code, and launch the IDE. The first setup can take a moment, so keep the browser tab open and let the process complete. You'll see status updates as it pulls your files and prepares the environment. When the IDE opens, you're in your cloud workspace, ready to work. Your files are on the left, the editor is front and center, and you can continue development and collaboration right here. From this point on, you can focus on your code without worrying about local setup. That's it. You've imported your project into Firebase Studio and launched a full-featured cloud IDE in just a few clicks.